We are here on a golf course to install a wireless emitter connected to irrigation valves. So the only thing that needs to be done is the two wires connected to the box, to this emitter. This emitter is working on two batteries, long-lasting, 7 years up, and everything is done wireless. The automatic operation of the valves, the open, close, and everything. Let's go now and install the gateway first. We have installed the gateway on the top of the greenkeeper's house, and I can check that the signal is of course excellent over here. I'm just underneath the gateway. The gateway has been connected to the internet, and I'm ready to go and bury my my smart emitter connected to my solenoid. We are here 1.3 kilometers away from the gateway, 0.8 mile, and we can see that we keep a good signal. We can control the valve even if the smart emitter is buried down below the ground surface. You can open, close the valve, you can program the watering sequences, everything from your smartphone, from everywhere, even from a tablet, and you're ready to go.